What's going on, world? Back in Arizona, freezing my ass cheeks off. Need to put the hard top on. Hard top is no more until next season. For those that don't know, bikini top has a Velcro strap in the center to keep the bar or the PVC pipe that I have from moving. So that way it's kind of more stable. I actually ran out of room trying to store it. Got way too much shit, so need to get everything in a proper location, probably in the attic, but here is where we are. And when you got a hard top, there's a lot of problems trying to store it. So trying to put this on the car by yourself is always a fun project. And then I actually latched the top pieces down way before I needed to, but just goes to show how often I put on and take off the hard top, even though I've had this car for 8 years.
Got that dope. 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 Got that dope.
I got the side brackets I still need to put on. So simple hardware, putting that in. Need to replace a bolt that's in the back, which is what you saw me fiddling around with earlier. But now it's time to replace the crappy filter. Couldn't find the right combination of pipes to make this properly work without it moving around a lot. And I didn't want to buy another unnecessary filter that just wouldn't do what I needed it to, so I figured I'd just buy a proper filter that would fit. Well, I replaced that old one. Kind of trashed, beat up. New hotness. So less room for air, more airflow. Normal stuff. Now, if you've been following my Instagram story, probably a few weeks ago, I was driving around with the wife. The TPS sensor shorted because I took it out. Just left the exposed wires there. My own dumb ass fault. But here we are, trying to fix that, trying to get new bolts that will make it work. I already have the adapter plate for it. I just need to put the bolts behind that. I just didn't have the bolts yet, so.
Yeah, it's okay now, winning by the day. How these other people tricking, it's so sick and sad to say. Cause I see my future shining, might as well move to LA. If a person got a problem with it, get them out my way.
Ran the Ace Footwear, got the bolts, tried to put it in. Also had to drive this car to the store, so decided to just tie this bad boy up, get us there, get the bolts, come back, put it in. Away we go.
Got that dope. 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 Got that dope.
And of course I had to try out the zip tie to make sure, it worked. So I had to go for a drive. It's only proper.
But
over it if the beat's sick. I'm Albert Einstein with a pin, boy, I'm a genius. You can see I'm beastin', I've been on that elite shit. School of hard knocks, and believe it, I'm on the dean's list. My heart's in danger, hip-hop, I'm a savior. I am what you study in college, buddy, I'm major. Never change up and I'm damaging all my haters. A monster find me in Hotel Transylvania. Homie, I've been the man since the fetus. Got an M on my mind like a Maja Vegeta. My girl fine without makeup, there's no need to clean up. And this is what I told her the first time that I seen her.
Then I went to go put the bolts in, and the bolt was too big on the side. Well done.
Southside motherfucker, let's get it. Northside motherfucker, let's get it. Let's go.
Oopsie, I did it, I do this shit. Roll out in the area code like Ludacris. Always with the dogs, I'm a vet, y'all new to this. I'm Barry Bonds with it, the hits numerous. Y'all should know better by now. I don't wanna see you with the money phone if your leverage down. Before I hit the stage, man, we settling now. What you think they call it the green room for, man? Who knows? Oliver Twist, they want more. Every last song like a sit-up, got me on core. A hotel like she on tour. My girl.
Yes. It is the same size. You saw that? Magician. Damn. These $4. Now it's time to cut the fenders a little bit more, just to trim the inside. Every time I'm turning, what you heard in the video earlier is just rubbing terribly, so I'm trying to make a little more room on each side. That way we don't have that issue. Really only started after I went to the Willwood brakes and had to get 10mm spacers to space everything out a little bit more, so now it's -10 offset. That makes it a little bit better. It's pretty close. I'm pretty sure it's touching. May not be able to see it on camera, but I'm 90% certain that it's touching.
So down, I'm okay now. But it was a long haul on the way down. Know anybody in my way, I'm gonna take out. Used to think it was a game, I don't play now. You know, I get to then, yo, I got it. Whoa, low key, I got it locked in. I need a mill, that's what I'm worth. Fuck that a bill. I keep it stacking, attacking a mill. I see blood, I'm going in for the kill. Hold up, wait. By any means.
Appreciate y'all watching. That's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.